artery, 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 pulmonary, 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 oxygenated, 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 elastic, 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 detectable, 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 semilunar, 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 value, 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 flesh, flesh, flesh.
Hi, hello, welcome to yet another video. Today is the 18th day of our 31 days journey. Alright guys, so you're so welcome to yet another video. Today is actually the 18th day of our 31 days journey. We're actually moving, okay? So if you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. It is all about English. We learn how to read, write, and speak. So if it sounds interesting like what you're interested in, you can actually join this family by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're my returning subscriber, keep being amazing, because you guys are just amazing. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video.
Valves, 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 pressure, 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 surface, 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 difference, 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 accept, 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 thick, 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 pulse, 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 color, 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 carry, 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 between, 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 heart, 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 nearer, 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 bright, bright, bright. So these are the list of 2-letter, 3-letter, and 4-letter words we're likely going to see on our today's comprehension. So read with me. In, of, no, the, to, is. Again, in, of, no, the, to, is. To 3-letter words we have the, red, are, low, not. Again, the, red, are, low, not. Now to 4 letters word we have deep, fresh, done, then, thin, skin, have, well, away, from, high. Again, deep, fresh, done, vein, thin, skin, have, well, away, from, high. So putting all the words we just pronounced together, we came up with this comprehension. So today's topic is differences between artery and veins. Differences between artery and veins. So we have the arteries versus the veins. We separated this with a line in the middle. So we're going to be reading them side by side. So let's go. Arteries carries oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery, while veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Again, arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Arteries have thick elastic walls, while veins have thin elastic walls. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry blood to the heart. Atlas is bright red in color. Veins are dark red in color. Again, arteries have thick elastic walls. Veins have thin elastic walls. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins carry blood to the heart. Arteries are bright red in color. Veins are dark red in colors. Arteries are deeper flesh than veins. Veins are nearer the surface of the skin than arteries. Arteries' pressure of blood is high. Veins' pressure of blood is low. Arteries' pulse is detectable. Vein pulse is not detectable. Again, arteries are deeper flesh than veins. Veins are nearer the surface of the skin than arteries. Arteries' pressure of blood is high. Vein pressure of blood is low. Arteries' pulse is detectable. Veins' pulse is not detectable. Arteries have no valves except semilunar valves. Veins have valves. Arteries have no valve except semilunar valves. Veins have valves.
Alright, so we have come to the end of today's video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye for now.